AR HUD. Display your devices into real space. On-site display. Enter AR HUD through Toolkit. Scan the QR code on your device. All the port status information will be displayed in front of you. Click the port, and you can check the port status in detail. Currently, the devices supported by on-site display include these models. Remote display. On the page of AR HUD, click Device Projection. Choose a project with the device you want to check. When you are not on site, you can also display the device in front of you. Zoom in and zoom out to check the device. Click the port to check the details. You can also share the real-time screenshot with others. Display of connected clients. With AI client detection, AR HUD also supports display of connected clients. Users can now see the connected clients to their devices. AR HUD. Simplify your network project maintenance. Cloud. Make your business easy.